Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore calendar automation using Google Calendar AI tools step by step clearly. To restore calendar automation using Google Calendar AI tools, start by accessing your Google Calendar on a web browser. Log into your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on the main calendar page, locate the settings gear icon in the upper right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled General on the left. Under General, find and select Integrate Calendar. Here, you will see options for integrating different tools and applications. Next, scroll down to locate Sync with other calendars. Choose the option that relates to the automation workflow you are looking to restore. If you have previously linked any automation tools, ensure those connections are still active. Check your third-party app settings, such as Zapier or Ifttt, for any broken links or disallowed permissions. If you find any broken links, reconnect your Google Calendar using the authorization process. After securing the connections, explore the Add-ons section within the calendar settings. In the Add-ons area, search for specific AI tools that enhance automation. Select an add-on that fits your needs and click Install. Follow the on-screen prompts to integrate the add-on with your Google Calendar. Once installed, return to your main calendar view. Click on the add-on icon located on the right sidebar to configure its settings. Customize the automation settings to suit your scheduling preferences. Test the automation features by creating a few sample events. Ensure that the automation works as expected, with notifications and reminders set up. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings of both Google Calendar and the add-on for troubleshooting. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure smooth functionality. Your calendar automation should now be restored, enhancing your scheduling efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.